What's up, boys? Good morning. Today is Tuesday, July 1st, first trading day of July. Made around $2,100 trading the Nasdaq this morning. So first things first, daily bias, right? Why were we bullish? If we hop onto the 4-hour time frame, we can see how we are still respecting this bullish 4-hour fair value gap, right? We are now actually respecting this 4-hour order block that we tapped into overnight. So 4-hour order block, 4-hour fair value gap. If we look at ES, you can see on the 4-hour time frame, ES failed to take out those lows. So we have a bullish 4-hour, we have a 4-hour SMT, an SMT that tapped into a bullish P to Ray, very strong SMT. Hourly chart, you can see we swept these lows and did not close below them. So liquidity sweep on the hourly time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, you can see we have this bearish 15-minute fair value gap. What does price do? Inverses it. So now we have a 15-minute bullish IFEG, 4-hour order block fair value gap, 4-hour SMT, hourly liquidity sweep, hop down to the 5-minute time frame. We can see we have a 5-minute fair value gap here and a 5-minute order block here. Price taps into this 5-minute order block, rejects the 5-minute order block, inverses this 5-minute. And let's see what fucking price chooses to do when we inverse the 5-minute, right? We enter here. Oh, we just inverse the 5-minute. Stops below the swing low. Chops around for 5 minutes and then stops us out. Beautiful price action, right? Now, we sweep this low resistance liquidity. Honestly, this was not the best trade because price was not moving that clean. We did have news at 9:30. We never took out those data lows, so fair play on price for taking out these lows. Now on ES, ES has been pushing up all day. If we look at the 5-minute time frame on ES, you can see how much more bullish ES has been. ES already took out the 4:30 a.m. highs, while Nasdaq is struggling to. That's all the way back here. So ES already took out these highs. All the way up here. ES is all the way up here. And Nasdaq is struggling to fucking move for its life. Second trade. So first trade was a 5-minute order block. 5-minute order block and 5-minute IFEG trade. So we tapped into a 5-minute order block, inverse a bearish 5-minute fair value gap. This is all coming out of a 4-hour order block and 4-hour fair value gap and a 15-minute IFEG. Second trade was based off a bullish SMT on the 1-minute time frame. We have a 1-minute bearish fair value gap. Let me just point it out for you guys. This is what price looked like at the time. We have a 1-minute bearish fair value gap. You can see there's nothing on the 2-minute, nothing on the 3-minute, right? On the 1-minute, get a 1-minute IFEG. So I do enter in long. Stops were below the swing low, of course, targeting this 15-minute high right here. It's more clear on the 5-minute. It's a swing high right here, very clear draw on liquidity. We had that 15-minute high, and we had data highs right here. So I was targeting that high. Great TP, because if you can see, price literally wicked my TP and dumped, which is fucking great looking back at it. Great point to take profit at. So we had the 15-minute high, took profit there. I went break even, of course, at the data high. Overall, great trade and made my money back on this trade. I lost $400 on the first trade because of the way price was moving. I was not as confident in the trade. So I did end up risking $400 on the first trade. It was one contract, so I did lose $415. Second trade, I made around $1,100 and ended up making my money back and more because I did enter in this trade. I was very confident. We had an SMT, 5-minute fair value gap, a 1-minute IFEG. I entered in this with 2 contracts, risking $800. So even if I lost this trade, I would have only been down 1% on the day. So great risk management on my end today. Ended up making $1,100. So that minus 400, I am up 700 and let me just check. So instead of trying to guess this shit, so I'm up $741 on all 3 of my accounts. Overall, not bad. If you guys have any questions about this trade, feel free to reach out to me, comment, DM us on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, whatever the fuck you guys want. You know, we're here to answer any question. Forgot to mention, if you are interested in joining our one-on-one mentorship, there's a waitlist link in the bio. If you guys just want to fill that out for us, you'll get put on a waitlist and you'll get direct access to us once the mentorship actually launches. Also gives you access to the free Discord, which has a lot of sauce in it on a daily basis. So I'm sure you guys want to check that out. Feel free. I'll just leave the link in the description for you guys. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out and have a nice day.